Hey guys, guess who? Captain B. I'm taking the creek behind the pond. I'm showing you what it's like before tomorrow's rain that's going to stain this and make this, oh my god, just nothing but a mud pit. 3 to 5 retention ponds draining on our property from a new subdivision. That's the summer swimming hole down there. I think I talked about that before. It's getting deeper and deeper. But I think now we could probably walk along this area and just kind of ease into it. I'm not sure. The sound of water, I love it. I found another natural spring on our property, so that's a couple of them. And we think there's got to be one in the pond here because it just seems to be keeping a nice level even though it's draining. It's nothing about nothing that to have a pond and a creek to visit every day. It soothes my soul. I'm going to cross the creek on down, and I don't know if y'all can see those, but those are tons of beech trees. Beech, not birch. And they keep their leaves until they bud out. But some of them are starting to come off, and I'm kind of glad, because if we didn't have these, guess what guys, we'd be seeing straight through to the new neighborhood. But anyway, it's supposed to be 67 degrees during the rain tomorrow. I might go rain fishing for some bass here. Let me see, turn around here. I don't see my otter. Yay. You don't want no otter. He just eats all my fish up. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. But what was amazing during the sunshine the other day, we saw a lot of suspended bass with the dead tree over there and the dead tree over there. I think our tree over there is getting some moss or resurrection fern on it. That's moss. Oh well. I need to build a tree house, or what do you call those things? Yeah, a tree fort. Hello. God knows in my youth day, I spent all my time I could in the woods except for taking care of brothers. But it's so nice to build a tree house. But anyway, I don't know if I'm going to walk this way. But like I said, I wanted to show you this before the deluge of the ding-dang water when the retention ponds get here. It's crystal clear. This is spring-fed creek. And they mess it up so bad it just hurts. I need to find one of those specialized endangered crabs and get them in trouble for draining it on our property. I think I can walk this way. Hope I'm not getting y'all too dizzy. This is so pretty in the spring because it's lined with dogwoods all the way up the creek and way over. Hey guys, I'm walking the creek. I love how the green moss pops up. And I'm going to show you before and after spring. You want to be able to see this creek. Right now, nothing's totally popping out here. You hear the construction. It's a beautiful creek. And my poor pond is leaking so bad, guys. I just feel bad. If we didn't get much rain, I would be probably pondless. Is that a word? Hello. But to hear the water on my butt, I'll turn around while I was showing you my rope bridge. A couple of these are dogwoods, and they're so pretty with the spring right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I hope y'all hear it. You can hear this up on the ridge in the winter. I don't know if y'all can tell that's a ridge up there. But we have campers camp up there sometimes and they can hear it. Also hear coyotes. But anyway, I'm going to turn this off and see if I can traverse this without sliding on my butt. But that is so sad about the otter. Goodness. There's one of his footprints. I'm pretty sure, see the web kind of print? I don't think that's deer. Well, shoot, I was wondering why he left such an amazing pond. But I wonder what got him. Oh well, guys, it's sad. I think nature has its balance, but goodness. I would have trapped him and moved him on. The Chattahoochee river keepers, they have trappers that come and get him if he stayed, but I thought he moved on because of the noise and me fishing. He'd be dead. Oh goodness. Okay, guys, but I'm sad. This is Captain B waiting on the rain. Over and out.